5 ways to make your wardrobe more sustainable with Twig. As a sustainable clothing brand, Twig is committed to creating high-quality, stylish, and comfortable pieces that are produced using ethical and sustainable methods. But sustainability isn't just about the clothes we wear, it's about the choices we make as consumers. Here are 5 simple ways to make your wardrobe more sustainable with Twig. 1. Invest in high-quality, long-lasting pieces. Twig's clothing is made from durable materials and produced using ethical methods, which means you can trust that our pieces will last. By investing in high-quality clothing, you can save money in the long run and reduce the amount of clothing that ends up in landfills. 2. Choose sustainable brands. When shopping for new clothing, it's important to consider the impact your purchases have on the environment. Twig is committed to sustainability in all aspects of our business, from our materials and production processes to our partnerships with organizations that support fair labor practices. By choosing Twig, you can reduce your environmental impact and support a company that is making a positive difference. 3. Repair and alter clothing. Instead of throwing out clothes that no longer fit or have minor damages, consider repairing or altering them to extend their lifespan. Many alterations can be done at home or at a local tailor, and it's a great way to give your clothes a fresh new look. And with Twig's commitment to sustainable production methods, you can feel good about repairing and altering our pieces. 4. Shop second-hand. Thrift stores, consignment shops, and online resale platforms are great places to find gently used clothing at a fraction of the cost. By shopping second-hand, you're giving these items a second life and reducing demand for new clothing production. Plus, shopping second-hand is a fun and unique way to discover new styles and find one-of-a-kind pieces, including Twig pieces. 5. Donate or sell clothing you no longer wear. When you're ready to part with clothing that you no longer wear, consider donating it to a thrift store or selling it on a resale platform. This helps to keep clothing out of landfills and gives it a new life with someone else. And by choosing to donate or sell Twig pieces, you can help spread the word about our commitment to sustainability, inclusivity, and body positivity. By making these small changes to your wardrobe, you can make a big impact on the environment and still look and feel your best. Plus, by choosing Twig for your clothing needs, you can support a brand that is dedicated to sustainability, inclusivity, and body positivity. So why wait? Start making your wardrobe more sustainable with Twig.